Welcome back to Bright Night Tech. My name is Berto, and today we're going to look at the MPOW X3 True Wireless Earbuds. We'll start with an unboxing, and then we'll check out some of its specs. So let's get started. Alright, let's take a look at the classic MPOW red box that they use for all their products. Tells you some highlights of what the product has, specifications in the back, and yes, I realize there's a little bit of a tear right there, but that's because this box is hard to open. So I had to try to kind of prepare it so I can open it up a little bit easier. Alright, so there is the pull tab right there. That's very convenient. We're going to go ahead and pull this out. There's an envelope right there, probably with all the paperwork, and there we have the charging case for the MPOWs. But first, let's take a look at what's inside the envelope. Open this guy up, a lot of paperwork. First off, we have the registration card. We'll put that over there, and the MPOW Quick Operation Guide. MPOW has a very good track record of having very clear quick start guides. And right there it tells you how to connect it with Bluetooth. For the first time, I'm not going to include that in the video here because I feel like everybody knows how to do that and I'm just wasting video time doing that. Here's the full guide, so if you are wondering about things that are a little more specific, it shows you all the stuff that it comes with. You can take a look at this, but if you're already pretty confident, just go with the quick start guide, you'll be fine. Alright, let's put that off to the side. Open up here, there's a little box underneath the case. Let's take that out. Alright, let's open it up. And we have a charging cable. Pull that out. So, USB charging cable on this side. And it looks like, let me focus here, USB-C, which is great. And MPOW is kind of hit and miss with that. Depending on their product, it'll either be USB-C or a micro USB. And here we have some extra soft earbud tips. And inside of the box, we also have some earbud tips. So I'm assuming the only difference is they both come in different sizes, except the other one's made out of a softer material. Alright, let's take a look at the MPOW charging case itself. It is actually pretty small. Fits in the palm of my hand right there. Now before we take a look inside, these are available on Amazon for $59.99. Alright, now let's take a closer look at the earbuds themselves. So, pulled them out here. The little divot there is the touch sensor for the touch controls. And right next to it, you can see one of the mics. There's another mic right below it. Let's flip it around. You can see the contacts for the battery charging and the ear tip that it comes with standard. We're going to talk about that in a second, about how they fit. Let's talk about some of the things that it has. So it has active noise cancellation, which is actually really great. You won't really notice it unless you're in a really noisy room and then you turn it on. It says it comes with deep bass, which is cool, but honestly, I didn't really get that. Sound was decent, but I didn't get anything special in terms of bass. If anything, it sounded a little tinny. Alright, to charge these, super easy. Pop them in like that. I don't really need to show you this part. But right there, goes in, nice and comfy, has a nice close. It does not have a gap like one of the other ones I recently reviewed. And you have the charging indicator lights right there. This guy comes with 7 hours of listening time, 20 hours plus with the charging case. If you have active noise canceling off, if you have it on, you're going to get about 6 hours of listening time with 18 hours with the charging case if you have active noise cancellation on, which isn't a huge difference. So, you know, if it were me, I would just have it on. Now let's talk about fit. Now this was a huge thing for me. Now when I test these, I usually test them with whatever ear tip it comes with just to get a general feeling. Now if I get to a point where I feel like I should probably switch them out, I do, and I test different sizes to see what is comfortable with me. Now, with the standard ones that it came with, it kept coming out of my ear, it kept falling out. did not feel comfortable, and my ear actually started hurting after a little bit. So I switched them to the smaller gauge, and again, I would feel like they would be coming out, which sometimes they would, and my ear would also keep hurting. So then I switched over to the super soft ones that it comes with, and same issue. These are the first MPOW earbuds that I felt were not comfortable at all, no matter what I did. But again, that is a matter of opinion. I could just have weird ears. If you get these, they might be totally fine. So, you know, it's hard for me to tell you if they're gonna be good or not. If you can get past a few of the little things, like, you know, how it says deep bass, I didn't really get that. It was kind of uncomfortable for me. It's only rated sweat proof. Do I recommend these? I'm going to say no. I feel like with the MPOW line, you can definitely find some other ones that are going to be better in terms of the noise cancellation. I will give it big ups for that because I felt that that was really, really well done in these. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications, and we will see you next time.